Hi, this is Matt from Sections Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new scrolling images section from Sections Pro. This is a premium section, so I'm going to jump down to premium sections, and I'm going to go to scrolling images. This section is really cool because it allows you to scroll, and as you scroll, text on the right will be revealed, and it lines up with the images. So as you see, as the images cross a threshold, the text will be revealed. This is really good for like telling a story or explaining your product in detail. So let's install it and then we'll kind of go into how to set it up. So I'm going to hit publish it to my default theme, and I'm going to jump into the customizer. In the customizer, I'm just going to add it. You can add it to the top of your page, but this really works best if it's kind of in the middle of a page. So I'm going to add this. You'll see you get like on the left here, you'll see kind of the images here, and then the text will show up as you scroll. So I'm going to go in here really quick, and I'm just going to select a few images. And we come up here. Let's do this one. As you can see, it can also update the text here, but for now I'm just going to go through it really quick. I created some default text in there to kind of show you how it works. And then one more image, and hit done. Okay, you'll notice the text doesn't show up automatically when I scroll. It's because it's based on JavaScript, and just for the JavaScript to kick in with the customizer, you just have to hit save. So you hit save, and then you'll start seeing the text show up as you scroll through the images. And I'm going to show you really quick. We're going to jump into the site itself, and so this is what you'd expect it to look like. There's a few customizations that are built into this section. Obviously, you can change the headline and the text that goes along with the scrolling images, and you can change stuff like the background and the padding and all that, and the fonts if you want to override the fonts. Kind of the big one, though, is that there is a setting for the point where the text begins on the screen, and by default this is set at 100 pixels, which means when you're 100 pixels down from the screen, that's where it kind of shows up. But you can change this and play around with it just depending on like where you have it on your site and how you want it to look. So this will just kind of show up where the text starts. This will kind of control where on the screen. Like, see, this is showing up 100 pixels down when the thresholds will be reached and the text will start showing. So this is a setting you can play with outside of like the normal typical settings around padding and backgrounds and borders and all that. And then just one more thing, like this on the mobile. So this will happen on mobile is like, obviously you won't have the scrolling images here, but the text will show up underneath it, and you still kind of get this nice little widget that shows kind of the progress of the scroll as well. So that's it. That's the new scrolling images section from Sections Pro.